Fires erupted at Syria's Latakia port's container storage area following an Israeli missile attack, Syrian state media reported on Tuesday. Syrian broadcaster Sham FM captured the moment the explosion rocked the port. The attack, the second in December, damaged facades of a hospital, some residential buildings and shops. But Syrian reports made no mention of any casualties. Israel has mounted frequent attacks against what it says are Iranian targets in Syria, where Tehran-backed forces, including Lebanon's Hezbollah, have deployed over the last decade in support of President Bashar al-Assad in Syria's civil war. Latakia, a Mediterranean port, is Syria's main commercial port. Russia, which has been Assad's most powerful ally during the war, operates an airbase 12 miles from the port.